Independence Day. So, ladies and gentlemen, on this day, we all gather to celebrate the Independence Day. We are celebrating not just a day, but the spirit of freedom and unity. Today marks the day when our beloved nation emerged with pride and determination, carving its identity on the world map. Ladies and gentlemen, from the valleys deep and rivers wide, to the mountains high and deserts dry, a land of dreams and hopes untold, a story of freedom we behold. Today, as we stand under the banner of our flag, let's remember the sacrifices that brought us here. Our forefathers dreamed of a land where every individual would thrive in liberty, justice, and peace. Their dreams were not just for a nation, but for every heart that beat within it.